Hi friends, welcome to Sri IT Hub. In this video of Core Python Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python FrozenSet Collection with comparison operators or relational operators. So first of all, what is this FrozenSet Collection in Python programming? So FrozenSet, it is unordered collection of elements. FrozenSet elements are unique. It does not accept duplicate elements. FrozenSet is immutable. So once it is created, we cannot perform addition, deletion, updation, or any sort of modification. And FrozenSet does not provide indexes to its elements. And FrozenSet is created using FrozenSet method. So now take one small example. fset1 equal to FrozenSet of list 11, 22, 33. So for FrozenSet, I'm passing a list with 3 values. So that will be converted into FrozenSet collection. Similarly, fset2 is FrozenSet of, I'm passing list of values here, 1001, psi, 6.2, true, none. So here this list will be converted into FrozenSet collection and it will be available in fset2. So here FrozenSet is capable of storing same type of data as well as different type of data. So it is a unordered collection. Order is not preserved in FrozenSet collection. So FrozenSet allows us to perform comparison operations using comparison operators. For example, less than, greater than, less than or equals to, greater than or equals to, not equals to, and it returns true or false. So this is used mainly for checking subset, superset, or equivalent sets. Example, fset1 less than fset2, fset1 greater than fset2, fset1 less than or equal to fset2, fset1 greater than or equal to fset2, fset1 equals to fset2, fset1 not equals to fset2. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program, Python FrozenSet example 5. So take a new page, first write comments at the beginning of the program. So I'm taking fset1 FrozenSet of, I'm passing set 11, 22, 33. So that set will be converted into FrozenSet and its reference is available in fset1. Similarly, fset2 FrozenSet of set of values 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So initially print fset1, fset2 and check the comparisons. fset1 less than fset2, true. fset1 greater than fset2, false. fset1 less than or equal to fset2, true, either less than or equals to. fset1 greater than or equals to fset2, false. fset1 equals to fset2, no, elements are not same, as well as number of elements are also not same, false. fset1 not equals to fset2, true, because elements are not equal, number of elements are also not equal. So save this, come to the prompt where you have saved this program and then run it. So py Python FrozenSet example 5, set true. So this is first FrozenSet, order is not preserved, FrozenSet 1, FrozenSet 2 with 5 elements. Less than, true, greater than, false, less than or equal to, true, greater than or equals to, false, equals to, false, not equals to, true. So next let us perform with few more elements, different cases. So print, it will print a empty line. So I'm taking a FrozenSet fset1 11, 22, 33. Similarly, fset2 frozen set of 11, 22, 33. So print fset1, fset2. After that, fset1 less than fset2, false, because both are same. They have same elements and then equal number of elements. Fset1 greater than fset2, false. Less than or equals to, true. Either less than or equals to. Greater than or equals to, true. Greater than or equals to. Fset1 equals to fset2, yes, true. Fset1 not equals to fset2, false. So let us execute till here. So save the program, come to the prompt where you have saved the program. So fset1 33 11 22, fset2 33 11 22. Less than, false. Greater than, false. Less than or equal to, true. Greater than or equals to, true. Equals to, true. Not equals to, false. So next let us take another example. So here I'm taking fset1 frozen set of 10, 20, 30, 40. So that set will be converted into frozen set collection. Similarly, fset2 frozen set of set 11, 22, 33. So first one is having 4 elements, second one is having 3 elements. First set elements are not equal to second set elements. So print fset1, fset2. Now here, fset1 less than fset2, false. Greater than, false. Okay, because elements are also, see, though we have 4 and 3. First one 4 elements, second one 3 elements, but elements are not same with respect to the values. Okay, and elements are also less with respect to the values. Less than or equal to, false. Greater than or equals to, false. Equals to, no, false. Not equals to, true. So all false, last one is true. Not equals to is true. So frozen set 1, frozen set 2. So this is how we are supposed to perform comparison operations on frozen set collection. So frozen set is immutable collection. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.